Hey, Kentucky Rimfire and Hobbies. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to shoot the Hasbro Hammer Time Challenge in 223 with my AR here. And we have a sighter target at the bottom out there where we're going to finish our zero. I think when we shot this in the previous video that I posted, it was shooting a little bit to the left, so we might make a minor adjustment. And then we're going to give it a go at the Hasbro Hammer Time in 223, and then we will move on into our 22 long rifle attempt again. I've shot it a couple of times and I'm not satisfied with the outcome. So I'm going to get my cameras set up, get my mag loaded, and we're going to give it a go just in a minute. Guys, for our 22 challenge, we'll be shooting the custom 1022 with the Kid Barrel CST action billet receiver, factory kit boat, Vortex Diamondback 6-24 by 50 scope, and we have a Tacticam on top. I may or may not run this today. I picked up a GoPro Hero, so we'll have another angle view from the GoPro. And then this is my new iPad. And then today I'm also trying my phone camera again on a spotting scope, but I have borrowed my friend's Diamondback Vortex spotting scope to see if it's a little better than my spotting scope, because the one I have was definitely not a top of the line scope. So I'm seeing if this scope makes it better for me, and if it does, then I may make an investment and buy a better spotting scope. All right, guys, we're going to go first with the AR. You should be able to see on this camera downrange the 50-yard target. We're shooting a Hasbro Hammer Time targets with the 223 and a 22 today. We're going to do this all in one video. My 223, I'm shooting 68 grain hand loads that I done myself, and we shot these on film the other day. They done pretty good, but they were shooting slightly left. So there's a target downrange that's right at the bottom of the Mario targets on the right hand side. I'm going to shoot that bottom right target to get my gun zeroed, and then we'll go right into the Hammer Time Challenge. And then from there, we'll move into the 22, which we'll be shooting Lapua Super Long Range today. I can see that clearly. It's to the left, so we're going to bring it to the right. All right, second shot. Still slightly left. We'll see if this puts us in the bullseye. We're still favoring that left edge. Can't really tell on that one, but we're going to go that bottom Mario target is the 223 target. So we're just going to start off with that target, and we'll shoot the very first barrel and see where we're at. All right, that's a good hit. Like another good hit. Next row down. I believe we brushed that one. Guys, we're sharing the range today with somebody, so if you hear background noise, that's all it is. We got somebody else shooting with us today. That one's getting closer to Mario's hand. We'll have to look closer at that one. Looks like that was a hit. All right, so next row down. Oh, they're getting smaller. I'll take that. That's a good hit. That's another good hit. And another good hit. All right, the bottom row. This is where it gets tough. That was a hit. That was a hit. I believe I hit Mario on that one. So that one will be a -1. And we'll try for our bonus tokens. Well, that wasn't a good shot. I don't know where that one went. Try for the second one. And I missed it. All right, we'll put the gun on safe. Drop our mag. Rack that one out of the chamber. The gun is safe. All right, guys, we'll wait till the end to go down and collect our targets and look at them up close. But I feel like I done okay with that 223. I don't shoot 223 a lot, so we'll see in the end how we done. But now we're going to shoot the custom 1022, and I'm not going to run the Tacticam. I've already got too much going on here. The GoPro kicked off in that last video, so I don't know if I got footage there or not. We're going to try it again with this little snippet and see if we can get some footage out of the GoPro. It may be where I'm trying to share the GoPro and take video from my phone, because the GoPro's controlled from my phone, and then I was taking video from my phone, so that may interfere with each other. I don't know that much about GoPros. This is my first go round with them. So anyways, we're going to try it again. The GoPro should be running now, and the spotting scope camera is running now. And we're going to take a couple of sighters at the Zero and Hasbro, or the O and Hasbro. We'll take a couple of sighters there, and then we'll commence to shooting the target for score. This will be the top target up top. Well, that was a dead hit. All right, we're going to go with that. Well, it's a big difference going from 223 to 22. Somebody knows we're here. All right, bottom row. Oh, that's going to be close. Oh, that was bad off. Still off. Ah. Difference in mag change right there. It just got off when I went to pieces. All right, guys, we'll go down, get our targets. We'll check them out, see how we done. Stand by. All right, guys, it's time to close out this video. I'll show you guys close up what we done here. So we got +1, +1, +2. I hit him in the hand, so -1. +2, +3, +3, +3, +5, +5. Then I got a -1, a -2, and a -2. I shot low on both of my coins, and I pulled that shot. I felt it when I pulled it. But we had a total of 25 -6 was 19 with the 223. So there you go. There's your close up. Total of 19. Not too bad. And then we come with the 22 shooting Lapua or super long range, sorry. And we got 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then I fell to pieces. I did a mag change right here, and when I put that new mag in, I did not shoot the same. That one there, I plugged it, and it's a miss. It's barely a miss, but it is a miss. So -1, -1, -1, -2, -2. So we shot a total of 17 -7 for a score of 10. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I appreciate you liking them, sharing them. I appreciate the subscriptions. Please comment below in these videos. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the targets, the equipment, the videos. I appreciate all comments. I try to answer every one of them and get back to you. But with that being said, we're going to call this good on the Hasbro Hammer Time Challenge. I've made my fair share of attempts at it, and that's where I'm going to stop. I'm done with it. Hasbro, this was a tough challenge. I appreciate you putting it out. Guys, go over and check out Hasbro's challenge. He has prizes that he's going to give away at the end of this. He's got an end date for this right here, and best score is going to win a prize. I think it's a KYL rack, and then also worst score is going to win a prize. So check out Hasbro on YouTube, and he also has a website where you can go over and print these targets and give them a try. But guys, we'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.